Understanding kitchen science. The butter separated. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English language learning, especially when it involves cooking and kitchen science. We're going to explore what it means when someone says, "the butter separated." This phrase is not only about cooking but also offers a glimpse into the chemistry of foods. So, whether you're whipping up a culinary masterpiece or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. When we say, "the butter separated," we're talking about a process where butter, which is an emulsion of fat and water, breaks down into its separate components. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as temperature changes, mixing, or even the addition of other ingredients. Separation is often undesirable when you're aiming for a smooth, creamy texture in dishes like sauces, frostings, or baked goods. Butter separates due to changes in its environment. High heat is a common culprit, causing the water and fat to part ways. Another reason could be overmixing or adding ingredients that affect the emulsion stability, like too much water or acid. Understanding this can help you avoid or fix separated butter in your cooking. Preventing butter from separating involves controlling temperature and mixing carefully. Gentle heat and slow incorporation of ingredients are key. If your butter does separate, don't panic. You can often rescue it by gradually adding a small amount of water while whisking vigorously or by gently warming it while stirring to help the emulsion come back together. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, "the butter separated," and what it signifies in the kitchen. Remember, cooking is as much about science as it is about art. Mistakes like butter separating are opportunities to learn and improve. So, keep experimenting, and don't let a little separation butter you up the wrong way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.